Dazheng Coffee Group is a one-stop service provider for coffee, tea, and beverage water bar equipment. We integrate research and development, manufacturing, customized solutions, sales, and after-sales service into a complete industry chain. Headquartered in Guangdong, we have established 2 major marketing in Shanghai and Beijing. We has 8 independent brands, representing semi-automatic coffee machines. We have Latatina and T&Z. For coffee and tea beverage equipment research and manufacturing, LaHaHa. Coffee Dazheng represents our fully automatic coffee machines. Yami and Yami are our premium coffee utensil brands. Watermaster represents our water purification equipment brand. We have a state-of-the-art coffee machine production base in China, Guangzhou, Linguang Electric Machinery Company Limited, with a production area of 6,000 square meters. We have 15 assembly lines, 8 testing lines, and 2 fully automated production lines, with an annual production capacity of up to 30,000 units. Our equipment is exported to major continents of the world. We have a professional team of independent research and development engineers who have provided personalized OEM/ODM services to numerous well-known chain coffee and tea beverage brands. Dazheng Coffee Group and Linguang Factory have both been recognized as high-tech enterprises. Additionally, we hold over 100 patents. We have a robust after-sales support system. We ensure worry-free after-sales service for our customers. Dazheng Coffee Group, as always, is dedicated to creating an independent coffee brand for the Chinese nation and is committed to the rise of the coffee industry in China.